Hi guys, Savvy Money Girl here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with amazing financial and lifestyle tips. If you're an already existing member, thank you for staying with me and welcome again. Gracias. So today I'll be talking about how to spot good and genuine investment opportunities that is suited for you and that is suited for your financial goals. Now, the first important thing to note is that you must understand the basics of investment. You need to acquire knowledge and acquire financial freedom when it comes to spotting genuine investment instruments and opportunities. You need to understand the various asset classes and the various types of investments that are available to you as an investor. It is very important for you to utilize free financial platforms like the Savvy Money Girl website, Motley Fool website, NASDAQ, Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, Google Finance. There are so many free financial resources, financial platforms that are available for you to help you get started on your investment journey. Now, the second part is having an investment goal and plan. Now, after you've acquired this financial literacy, you've done your research, you visited all the financial platforms like the Savvy Money Girl website, and you've been equipped with knowledge, you need to translate that knowledge into actionable steps. So you now need to create a financial plan and an investment plan for yourself. Now, what a financial plan does for you is it outlines actionable steps for you to start investing, to build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. So, in your financial plan, you're able to put down whether you're a high risk investor, a medium risk investor, or a low risk investor, and you're able to also ascertain whether you want to be an income generating asset investor or if you want to be an accumulating asset investor, whichever one, or if you want to have a mix of the both of them. So now you see when you're able to narrow down these things to the type of assets you want to invest in and what type of investor you are based on your risk profile, it now becomes easy for you to choose investments that are tailored to suit you. So you now know if you want to invest in equities in the stock market, you want to invest in bonds, you want to buy commodities, you want to buy crypto, or if you just want to buy index funds or individual growth stocks in the stock market. So now this is why having a financial plan and an investment plan is very, very important for you when it comes to choosing and streamlining investment opportunities for you. Number three is seek expert advice. Always ask for help. Especially when it comes to do with your finances, it's always good for you to ask for help, but it's very much important that you're armed with information and knowledge when asking for help, because it makes it easier for you to really gain clarity and for you to make the most out of your experience with your expert or your financial advisor. Then number four is if it is too good to be true, then it most definitely is too good to be true. Any investment opportunity that offers you quick returns, in a short frame of time without a concrete business structure, nah, it is fake. If it is too good to be true, then it is. Now, this is where you have to apply number five, which is always check for regulations. Do a research on the company that you're investing with. Do a research on the financial platform you're using to invest. Check the background history, the financial, do a technical and fundamental analysis. Utilize NASDAQ. I really love NASDAQ and Bloomberg, but especially NASDAQ. Utilize NASDAQ to check the history and to track the financial performance. If the company is not on NASDAQ, then use the financial regulation of the country you reside in, where you're going to be making that investment from. When you find out, this way you can find out if the company or the investment is being regulated by the financial authorities in your country of domicile, and it makes it easier for you to not fall victim to scam and Ponzi investment schemes. I hope that with this points and tips, it becomes easier for you to spot good investment opportunities and get started on your investment journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends or anybody that you know that might need these tips on how to spot a good investment. And I look forward to welcoming you back to the next video.